Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In today's video, I do welcome you all, and in today's video we are discussing some very important points that are related to the circular motion, and these are very important related to the competitive exams for suppose MDCAT, NEET, JEE and all. These are very important, I'm telling you again, because these are the tricks and concepts which will be helping you and clearing you a lot of your misconceptions. Alright, first of all, we have very basic things that over here. Even though this is a very short video, but this will help you a lot. And this is the circular motion I have just painted. This is of two type. One is a vertical and the second one is a horizontal. There's not in question they just confuse you that vertical circular motion or horizontal circular, there's not much difference. This is just a different, like here it is on the x-axis and here it is on the y-axis. We can say that. While if we talk about circular motion, a beautiful circle is in front of you. While if you go see over here, we have drawn three different points, and the uppermost is the topmost point, that is drawn as the top point. The middle one is called as the midpoint, and the bottom one is called the bottom point. And in questions it is seen that they ask for the velocity at the topmost point in the vertical circle. They ask velocity for the middle point in the vertical circle. They ask for velocity uh, for the uh, you know bottom point. They will ask a question like what would be they will ask like the question can be made like uh, uh, what at which point of the circle the velocity would be maximum, topmost point or bottom point. Like in this way question can come. It can ask you between topmost, mid and bottom point where the velocity is lowest. So here is question comes, and this question is simply solved by a formula. That formula is, for the topmost point it is radical gr, gravity value, and r for radius of the circle, which would be given. And the second one we will get is radical midpoint. We can say that radical 3gr 3gr. And for the topmost it would be like radical 5gr. I'll be showing you MCQs which came in the last year paper that is related to this topic later on. I'll have a talk I want to include a single point over here as well. Like if we talk about the speed is constant, do remember that the centripetal force and centripetal acceleration are both responsible for the direction of uh, the circular motion. So if the speed is constant, these both will be present and rest quantities will be absent. If the speed is changing and the direction is always changing, as so these will be here. Centripetal force will be acting, centripetal acceleration will be acting, along with that the tangential quantities will be introduced, like tangential acceleration, tangential force, uh, and the acceleration of the circular motion would be also introduced, the alpha. So these all would be there in when the speed is changing. In the constant speed, the tangential quantities will be absent, because these are responsible for the change in the uh, the speed. While I'm coming back from taking a picture of MCQs which came